Last night, my daughter had some friends over and this happened. One of the kids knocked the shelf down, but not to worry. It's actually an easy fix and I will show you exactly how I fix it. Last night before going to bed, I kind of filled the holes with some of these like bond cart. And today I'm just going to sand it. Just make sure it's like nice and flat to the wall. So this is the bracket that goes inside of the wall. And as you can see, we still have all of the nails here. So what happened is somebody probably like put their hands on it and then it just came straight out of the wall. So I'm going to take these nails out first. So now that's out. Now I'm gonna mark the holes. I'm not gonna use the same holes because they're not gonna be as strong. I'll just go opposite. So if I had a hole on top, I'll just do a hole on the bottom. I'll do one here, one here. Now we make holes. Now we're gonna put the grips in the holes. Oh, that fit in there. What? That woke you up? Yeah. Oh, my bad. Okay, we need one more. Okay. Okay, the hard part is almost over. Now we're going to switch out from this drill bit to the screwdriver, I guess.
Mommy, I have a surprise for you in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a muggy. It's cute. It's tiny, and it's my color. Thank you.
Maybe I could just wear this one that looks like Anna.
Yes.
Which one do you think will look better on me, or which one do you think will look better on me?
It doesn't matter. It's the same thing.
Mommy?
Oui, mama.
I think you kind of smell here.
Baby, you only wore it for the video, honey.
So it's good?
It's perfect, yeah. I made them pretty loose to make sure that all of the nails could fit. Now I'm gonna go through and tighten everything up. Now the hard part is over. We are going to put the shelf back on there. Anna, go get in the shower, please. And just like that, we fixed the shelf. Now there's an option to drill the shelf into the brackets, but I don't see that as necessary. And I feel like if I do that, then it's not gonna be as easy to take it apart and put it back if this happens again. So now I'm just going to put the books back and I'm not gonna worry about, I'm just gonna put it back. And just like that, we fixed the floating shelf. Now I'm gonna go get ready for church. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Love you. Bye.